So it's lockdown and all the gyms are closed. And you've come across these weird parks with all these bars and you see people doing exercises on them, but you don't know where to get started. In this video, I'm going to share 3 quick exercises for the absolute beginner in the calisthenics park. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Chris, I'm a doctor from the UK, living and working in Australia, and I make fitness and meditation videos. So today I'm going to give 3 exercises which will help you get started with bodyweight training, and it's going to work every single muscle group in your body. So the first exercise is the bodyweight row, aka the Australian pull-up. And this exercise will target your back, your biceps, and your core. Find a bar of appropriate height. The higher the bar, the easier the exercise. Place your hands roughly shoulder width apart, and then slowly lower yourself underneath the bar. Use your core to straighten your body underneath the bar, so your whole body is like a plank of wood. Pull the bar towards your chest, trying to touch the center of your chest to the bar. Keep your elbows tucked in. Try not to let them flare out too much. Lower yourself slowly to the low position. Keep your body straight throughout. Then repeat. So you can choose a higher bar to make this exercise easier, or you can choose a lower bar to make it more difficult. And the lower the bar, the more horizontal your body and the harder the exercise. So the next exercise is a pushing exercise called the Incline Push Up. And this is great for the beginner who can't quite yet do a floor push up. This exercise will target your chest, your triceps, and your core, in particular your abs. So like the previous exercise, find a bar roughly about waist height. The higher the bar, the easier the exercise. Place your hands on the bar, roughly shoulder width apart, and move your feet away slowly from the bar, so more weight goes into your hands. Keep your core tight, so your body is straight like a plank. Lower your body slowly and bring your chest to the bar. Keep your elbows tucked in. Try not to let your elbows flare out too much. Push back up and repeat. Keep your core tight throughout. As with the bodyweight row, you can find a higher bar to make the exercise easier, or you can find a lower bar to make the exercise harder. You don't even need to use a bar. You can just find a ledge which you can rest your hands on. Once you get comfortable on a higher ledge, try to work your way down to a lower ledge. And then eventually, you'll be doing push-ups on the floor. The third exercise is a leg exercise called the assisted bodyweight squat. So this exercise is an easier version of the bodyweight squat that can allow you to go deeper. Find a bar or a pole, roughly about waist height. Hold onto the bar at arm's length. Move your feet so they're shoulder width apart. Your toes can be pointing forwards or slightly outwards, but don't point them too much outwards. Just find what's comfortable for you. Bend your knees slowly, keeping your back straight, and lower yourself towards the ground. Go as low as you can, and you may feel like you're falling backwards, but just hold onto the bar to stop yourself doing so. If you can't go all the way down, just go to around parallel to the floor, and then eventually you can work your way up to going lower and lower. If you can't find a straight bar, just find a pole or another object you can hang on to. Once you get comfortable using 2 hands, let go of one hand and just assist yourself with one hand only. The aim is to eventually not need any assistance at all and just be doing the bodyweight squat freely. So that's the 3 exercises that an absolute beginner can do at the calisthenics park. So for each exercise, you want to aim to do 3 sets of 10, with about 1 to 2 minutes rest in between each set. If you can't do 10 reps of the exercise, do as many as you can, but do the same number for each set. So for example, if you can only do 7 reps, do 3 sets of 7 reps. Aim to do these exercises at least twice a week. Each week, try to add 1 or 2 more reps to each set. Once you can do about 3 sets of 20 of each exercise, you're probably ready to move on to a harder exercise. You can go to my channel and have a look at videos for more advanced exercises. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give the exercises a go and let me know which one was your favourite in the comments section below. If you got something out of this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel out. And if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.